What if I told you that creating a boho chic masterpiece doesn't require an interior designer or a massive budget? With just a few clever ideas, you can transform any room in your home into a stunning, stylish oasis. From cozy textures to bold accents, and a secret tip at the end that will elevate your space instantly. This video has it all. Let's dive into 100 boho chic styling ideas that will make your home the talk of 2025. Introduction. Welcome to the Design Lounge, your ultimate destination for home decor inspiration. Today, we're exploring the magic of boho chic, a style that effortlessly blends textures, colors, and eclectic pieces to create spaces full of character and charm. Whether it's your living room, bedroom, or even your patio, boho chic decor can transform any corner of your home into a stunning sanctuary. In this video, we've curated 100 styling ideas that are not only easy to implement, but also budget-friendly. From statement furniture to subtle accents, you'll find everything you need to achieve the perfect boho chic vibe. Stay with us till the end, because we're saving the most creative idea as a special surprise just for you. Furniture is the foundation of any room, and in boho chic decor, it's all about making bold, eclectic choices that add both functionality and personality. Let's dive into 10 must-have furniture ideas to transform your space. Rattan chairs are quintessential boho pieces, blending natural textures with timeless design. Their lightweight structure makes them easy to move around, and they pair beautifully with throw pillows in tribal patterns. Whether it's a peacock chair or a low-slung lounge chair, rattan brings an airy and organic feel to your space. Daybeds are the ultimate multifunctional furniture piece for a boho room. They can be styled as a sofa by day and transformed into a cozy sleeping spot by night. Layer them with tasseled cushions and chunky knit throws for that perfect lounging area. A wicker love seat is a great statement piece for smaller spaces. Its intricate texture adds depth, while neutral tones ensure it blends seamlessly with other decor. Accent it with bold cushions or a macrame wall hanging nearby to tie the look together. Moroccan leather poufs or embroidered ottomans are not just seating options, they're design statements. Place them near a floor cushion setup or use them as an alternative to traditional coffee tables. Their versatility makes them a boho staple. An antique trunk art doubles as storage and a stylish coffee table. Look for trunks with brass hardware or hand-painted designs. They're perfect for keeping blankets and magazines out of sight, while adding a vintage touch to your room. Hammock chairs are a fun addition to any boho room. Hang them in a corner and style with a fringed pillow and a small floor rug beneath. They're perfect for adding a relaxed, playful vibe. For a dining area, a reclaimed wood table with a natural finish is a must-have. Pair it with mismatched chairs, think rattan, upholstered, or metal styles, to create an eclectic, inviting space for gatherings. Layering textures is the heart of boho chic decor, creating a cozy, lived-in vibe that feels both intentional and effortless. Start with rugs. Layering them is a hallmark of boho style. Pair a large jute or sisal rug as the base with a smaller kilim or tribal patterned rug on top for added dimension. This technique anchors the room and adds warmth. Curtains play a key role in layering. Sheer, flowing fabrics like linen or gauze create an airy feel, while heavier curtains in earthy tones add coziness. Layering both types gives you the flexibility to control light and mood. Wall textures should not be overlooked. Macrame hangings, woven wall art, or fabric tapestries are perfect for adding a tactile element to vertical spaces. Combining these with textured mirrors or natural wood frames enhances the layered look. Furniture accents can also contribute to the texture story. Add a woven pouf, a leather bench, or even a rattan stool. Each element brings a unique material into the mix, elevating the boho chic aesthetic. Even small details like table runners, coasters, and placemats in natural fibers or hand-woven designs contribute to the overall effect. Mixing and matching these layers is what makes boho chic decor feel so effortlessly stylish. Lighting sets the tone for any boho chic space, creating warmth and inviting ambiance. Start with pendant lights. Choose ones with woven rattan or bamboo shades to bring a natural, organic vibe. These lights not only illuminate, but also cast intricate patterns on the walls, adding character to the room. Fairy lights are a must-have for boho decor. Drape them around mirrors, over headboards, or along curtain rods to create a soft, magical glow. Their versatility makes them perfect for layering light in a subtle yet impactful way. Lanterns, both hanging and tabletop, are another staple. Opt for metallic lanterns with intricate cutout patterns or rustic wooden designs. Place them in clusters for a cozy, eclectic effect, or hang a single lantern in a corner for a statement piece. Candles are essential for creating a relaxed and intimate atmosphere. Use them in varied heights and styles. Think terracotta holders, brass candlesticks, or even large pillar candles. Group them on trays or inside lanterns for a cohesive look. Lastly, don't forget natural light. Sheer curtains allow sunlight to filter in gently, enhancing the layers and textures in your room. Pair this with strategically placed mirrors to reflect light and make the space feel larger and brighter. Artistic wall decor is a cornerstone of boho chic style, turning plain walls into stunning displays of creativity and personality. Start with macrame wall hangings. These intricately knotted pieces bring texture and a handmade touch to any room. Opt for large, statement designs for bigger walls or smaller ones to complement gallery setups. Tapestries are another staple for boho walls. Choose vibrant, global-inspired patterns or subtle, earthy designs. They can cover an entire wall or act as a focal point above furniture, instantly adding warmth and character to the space. Mirrors with textured frames, such as rattan sunburst designs or carved wooden borders, are both functional and decorative. Place them strategically to reflect light and create the illusion of a larger space, while their unique designs add a touch of boho charm. Shelving can double as wall decor. Install rustic wooden shelves and style them with small potted plants, books with colorful spines, and vintage trinkets. Adding hanging beads or tassels to the shelves enhances the boho vibe. Lastly, consider chalkboards or fabric boards for a personal touch. Use them to pin inspirational quotes, postcards, or even dried flowers. This adds a creative, ever-changing element to your decor. Natural elements are a defining feature of boho chic decor, bringing an organic, grounded feel to your space. Start with plants. They're the easiest and most versatile way to add life and texture. Potted monstera, fiddle leaf figs, or cascading pothos plants create lush greenery. Use woven baskets, terracotta pots, or macrame hangers to style them. Driftwood accents are perfect for adding a rustic touch. Lean a large piece of driftwood against the wall, use smaller pieces as decor on shelves, or incorporate them into DIY wall hangings. Their natural texture enhances the organic vibe of the room. Bamboo and rattan furniture bring a lightweight and airy feel to the room. From chairs to shelving units, these materials evoke a sense of natural harmony and blend effortlessly with other boho elements. Dried flowers and grasses, such as pampas grass or eucalyptus, are perfect for styling vases. Their neutral tones and feathery textures complement the layered boho look, adding a soft, natural aesthetic to any corner. Wooden accents, such as carved bowls or trays, add warmth and authenticity. Use them as functional pieces or standalone decor items. Their raw finish ties into the organic theme of the room. Finally, incorporate woven elements like seagrass baskets or cane details in your furniture and decor. They provide texture while keeping the overall vibe light and cohesive. Eclectic patterns and colors are at the heart of boho chic design, bringing vibrancy and personality to your space. Begin with tribal patterns. They're a staple of the boho aesthetic. Incorporate these in rugs, throw pillows, or wall art to add dynamic geometric shapes that catch the eye. Textiles are a great way to play with patterns. Opt for embroidered covers, kilim prints, or Indian block printed fabrics. Drape these over furniture or hang them as tapestries to instantly infuse the room with global influences. Don't forget the walls. Add a gallery of framed prints featuring bold, abstract art, hand-drawn sketches, or nature-inspired motifs. Choose frames in different materials like wood, metal, or rattan to enhance the eclectic vibe. Layer patterned curtains with solid sheer panels for a mix of functionality and style. This not only controls light, but also adds a pop of pattern to vertical spaces. For a bold statement, paint a single accent wall in a rich, earthy tone like terracotta or deep olive. Add a patterned decal or stenciled design for extra flair, creating a striking backdrop for your furniture and decor. Finally, accessories like patterned ceramic pots, hand-painted trays, or intricately designed coasters are subtle ways to tie in eclectic patterns throughout the room without overwhelming the overall look. Vintage and cultural accents bring history and global charm to boho chic decor, making your space feel curated and full of character. Start with Moroccan poufs, a signature boho staple. Their intricate stitching and bold colors add texture and serve as versatile seating or decorative elements. Add African-inspired decor, like hand-carved wooden stools, woven baskets, or tribal masks. These pieces provide depth and connect your space to global design traditions. Hang them as wall art or use them as standalone decor items. Mid-century modern furniture, such as chairs with tapered legs or teak wood tables, blends seamlessly with the boho aesthetic. Pair them with colorful, patterned textiles to soften their sleek, clean lines. Ceramic pottery and terracotta vases, especially those with hand-painted designs, bring an earthy, artisanal feel. Use them to hold dried grasses, fresh flowers, or simply as sculptural pieces. Introduce Persian rugs or Turkish kilims with intricate patterns and bold colors. Layer them over neutral rugs for a rich, layered look that grounds the room and adds warmth. Antique mirrors with ornate wooden or metallic frames are perfect for reflecting light and adding vintage charm. Position them above consoles or fireplaces for a timeless centerpiece. Lastly, don't forget handmade global accents, like macrame wall hangings from South America or Indonesian batik fabrics. These elements not only add authenticity, but also tell a story, making your boho chic space uniquely personal. Lanterns and string lights are essential for creating ambiance. Outdoor dining can be elevated with a rustic wooden table paired with mismatched chairs or benches. Style the table with a macrame runner, colorful tableware, and fresh flowers in a terracotta vase to create a welcoming dining experience. Include fire pits or chimeneas for warmth and evening gatherings. Surround them with floor cushions, poufs, or low chairs to encourage a relaxed communal vibe. Finally, personalize your outdoor space with small decorative elements like wind chimes, hanging beads, or framed mirrors for added charm and character. These little touches tie the space together and make it feel uniquely yours. And there you have it, 100 stunning boho chic styling ideas to transform any room in your home, indoors or out. From eclectic furniture and textured layers to personalized decor and outdoor retreats, these ideas bring the perfect balance of comfort, style, and personality. Which idea inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear how you'll use these tips to create your own boho paradise. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Design Lounge, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more creative decor inspiration. And if you're ready for more, check out our next video for even more stylish home transformation ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.